What if the stars started falling to Earth one by one? It began with Proxima Centauri. Not the star itself, but its light, its image, its very essence peeled away from the fabric of the night sky. One evening, it simply detached. To every observer on Earth, it appeared as a brilliant, slow-moving comet streaking silently toward the planet. It was beautiful, terrifying, and impossible. It passed through the atmosphere without a sound and dissolved into the Pacific Ocean like a fistful of glittering salt, leaving no trace but a lingering, celestial scent of ozone and coal iron. The world was transfixed. Scientists had no explanation. How could a star, light years away, fall? It defied every law of physics. Then, a week later, Sirius followed. The brightest star in our sky dove like a diamond lance into the Sahara, vaporizing upon impact and leaving a sea of glass 5 miles wide. Panic began. Governments mobilized. Conspiracy theories exploded. Was it an attack? A cosmological malfunction? A message? But the phenomenon was utterly indifferent to human reaction. The stars fell in a slow, inexorable sequence: Betelgeuse, Vega, Polaris. Each arrival was preceded by its disappearance from the heavens, leaving growing patches of terrifying emptiness in the familiar constellations. With each fall, the night grew darker, and a profound, primal dread set in. We weren't just being hit, we were being unmade from above. Our protagonist, Leo, was an unemployed astrophysicist turned janitor at the Arecibo Observatory, a man haunted by the universe's mysteries. While the world's active geniuses formed committees, Leo, armed with access to decommissioned equipment and a brilliant, dismissed mind, noticed a pattern everyone else missed. The stars weren't falling in order of brightness or distance. They were falling in the exact sequence they had been born. The universe was reversing its own creation. Here, on Earth, the cosmos was running its film and rewind, and our planet was the screen. This wasn't a disaster, it was a projection. But a projection of what? Leo's breakthrough came when he analyzed the spectral echo of the fallen starlight. Each stellar essence contained not just hydrogen and helium, but encoded information, a data packet of its entire life history. Every planet that had ever orbited it, every event in its stellar lifetime. Earth was being implanted with the memories of dying stars. We were becoming the universe's archive, its final backup drive. The growing darkness in the sky was the true apocalypse. The falling stars were merely the salvation of their souls, entrusted to us. The shocking twist arrived with the fall of a minor star in the Orion constellation. Leo, using his jerry-rigged equipment, managed to partially decode its data core before it dissolved into the Indian Ocean. He found a record of a civilization that had lived around the star a billion years ago, and within their historical records, they spoke of their sky growing dark, of their sun being the last to fall to a pale blue world orbiting a mediocre yellow star. Our sun, the record, was a message in a cosmic bottle, a warning carved into the heart of a star, stating this process had happened before. To them, the cycle was clear. When the universe reaches its end, all the consciousness it ever spawned, all the stellar memory, gets funneled into a single, stable repository before the final collapse. Earth wasn't randomly chosen. Life itself was the qualifying factor. A living world was the only medium stable enough to hold the memory of dead stars. The final, mind-shattering revelation hit Leo as he looked at the now half-empty sky. The ultimate falling star would be our own sun. And when it fell, it wouldn't hit an ocean or a desert. The data packet of our sun would contain every human memory, every thought, every forgotten dream. We would be absorbed into our own star, and the compressed history of our entire cosmos would reside here, on a dark, frozen, lifeless Earth, a silent, completed library awaiting a reader from the next universe. The falling stars weren't killing us. They were turning our planet into the tombstone for all of existence, and we were the epitaph. Leo realized his role wasn't to stop it, but to understand it, to become the first librarian of the apocalypse, so that when the final sun fell and the last human thought joined the archive, someone, somewhere in an unknowable future, might understand what it meant to be alive, to look up, and to see the light.